Welcome to the new Orthodontic Update CPD Hub. This is where you can access the current CPD questions, as well as view your CPD history and certifications. Here at the top of the page you can see the current issue details and the deadline for the latest set of questions, those of which can be located below. To view the question immediately, simply click the title of the article and the page will auto-scroll to the bottom for you to select your answer. Alternatively, click on the To Article button on the right-hand side of the question if you wish to read through the article before answering. Once you have submitted answers for all questions, an option to submit answers will appear at the bottom of the list. Click this to finalize your chosen answers and to reveal if you have passed or failed the module. After submission, you have the option to leave feedback for the CPD undertaken. Click this if you wish to leave feedback, fill out the form and star ratings and click Submit. The CPD homepage will show a visual acknowledgement of the feedback submitted. At the bottom of the page, you can review all previous CPD modules completed. You can download individual certificates, or alternatively, download all of them with the button seen here. You can also read through your previous answers by clicking the plus button next to the relevant CPD section.